The study of sociology is very important in every aspect of nursing, including care, cure, prevention of diseases, promotion of health, and rehabilitation. Detail going on. First important to maintenance of healthier lifestyle. Nursing plays a vital role in healthcare delivery system. Nurses have to work maintenance of healthier lifestyle and high standard of living in the society. Second, healthcare team members. Nurse will be close associated with healthcare team members and they will work in coordination with various agencies in the community for betterment of living and to teach health habits among the community. Third, to provide total patient care in the comprehensive manner and loving care to meet the total needs of the clients, either in the hospitals or in the community. Fourth, understand and to meet the needs. To understand and to meet the needs of the individual, family, and social needs in the holistic manner, thereby nation's development can be achieved. Fifth, understand the human behavior. To broaden the view of nursing students, to understand the human behavior in relation to the society, good social interaction and good human interpersonal relationship will be framed in society. Sixth, understand the cause of patient behavior. To understand the causes and meaning of many kinds of patient behavior, to make them comfortable and treat them alike for improvement of client care. Seventh, understand the problems of the client. To understand the problems of the client, both physical, psychological and social problems. Eighth, to suggest the ways. The way to with families, community agencies and group of persons to provide health counseling in planning for continuity of care. Ninth, provide the right motivation. To provide the right motivation, treatment and physical, medical, vocational, psychological rehabilitation based on attitudes and response of client by understanding their behavior through good interpersonal relationship. 10th important, understand emotional reactions. To understand emotional reactions, example, level of perception, attitude of people towards medical care, individual differences, social distance, prejudice, change, socio-psychological factors, and emotional interpersonal components of disease process, etc. Also, to understand him and others, the nurse has to use most effective use of the professional skill. 11th, continuous contact with the client. Nurse have close association and continuous contact with the client than any other healthcare members. Hence, study of sociology is very important in nursing. 12th, greater insight. To gain insight to human problems as related to the illness. 13. Good observation and communication. The study of sociology for the nurses to good observation, communication and guidance skill and essential to understand human behavior. 14th. First level care. Nurses need to assume responsibility for the provision of first level care in the community, thus act as changing agent in bringing about good quality of life. Social change. Nurses have to sensitive to the health needs of the people in the context of broader social changes. 16. Educator. Nurses educated need knowledge of sociology to understand nursing student behavior to provide quality nursing education. 17th. Manager and supervisor. Nurse as a manager and supervisor should have to understand hospital as a social system, to understand subordinate behavior, attitudes and needs, which is helpful to motivate the subordinate nurses for gaining effective patient care. 18. Nurse as a planner. Nurses should be able to make diagnosis of people's belief and practice to various diseases, identify available community resources for implementation of nursing services, select suitable health education methods, develop a plan of operation by involving local people and others, engage in community development, keeping in mind in social reality. Nursing care plan based on social background of client. For example, if type of family change, care plan will be changed. Individual to individual, family to family need a different plan which is determined by socio-demographic data. Hence, study of sociology is very important. 19. Researcher. Nurse as a researcher, updating of skill and knowledge, monitoring and evaluating activities, analyzing health conditions of people, bringing about changes and innovation in healthcare based on research. 20. Social scientist. Nurse as a social scientist has been assessed social background of client and discover causes of diseases, identify client needs and invent models for client oriented care. Nurses has been studied the broader issues of community involvement in health service development, requiring the knowledge of cultural aspect of health services, health institution, health problems, health practice prevailing, social structure, distribution of power, political organization, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.